In this video, I'm going to share with you how affiliate marketing works. Before I get into the content, welcome to my channel. If you are right now searching on how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, how to become affiliate marketing, how to make passive income, then you are at the right place, okay? You want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you exactly what you're searching for right now. Okay, so stay tuned, and the only way to do that is to subscribe. All right, so you want to know how does affiliate marketing work? Well, affiliate marketing is a great strategy that a lot of people are making a lot of money online with passively. And what I mean by passive is they're making money while they sleep, right? They're doing one thing right now, or they've done something in the past that continuously makes them money without them having to go back to what they have done and change it up or continue to work with it, okay? And that's exactly what affiliate marketing does. It gives you the ability to make passive income, all right? But how does it work? So with affiliate marketing, it's basically when there's a product out there in the market and there's an audience, right? There's an audience that needs that product. Well, an affiliate marketer is a person who brings that product to the audience, but they did not make the product, right? So Billy Bob over here has made some great green juice that helps you lose 100 pounds in a month. Right? You didn't make the product. You don't have to worry about shipping the product out. It's not yours. You don't have to worry about customer service or refunds or returns, etc. But Billy Bob has made this product and he wants to give it to a market who's wanting to lose 100 pounds in a month. Well, you as an affiliate marketer or someone who has potentially used Billy Bob's product or know an audience that can use Billy Bob's product, you can bring that product to the audience for Billy Bob and make a commission, right? So that's exactly how affiliate marketing works. It's a very simple strategy, but it takes consistent action. If you want to be successful in making money online generally, whether it's affiliate marketing or e-commerce or whatever you're doing, Instagram or social media, ads, whatever it is you're doing, you're going to have to take consistent action, and you're also going to have to invest in yourself. Just like if you were to go to a four-year university, you have to invest that money in order to go to the university. The only difference is when you go to university, you're not guaranteed a job. With affiliate marketing, with consistent action, you're able to get results being money or leads, while you're learning the business, right? But like I said, consistent action, consistent daily action will get you results, all right? So let's check out a couple of websites or platforms that you can join today that will get you started with affiliate marketing, okay? The one that's probably the most popular would be Amazon Associates. The most popular for people who don't know much about affiliate marketing or don't know how it works or how you make money or how you can get started. Well, Amazon Associates is basically Amazon's affiliate program. And with Amazon, you probably shop at Amazon right now, right? If you have an Amazon product, or if you have a product that you purchase on Amazon, what you can do is sign up for Amazon Associates affiliate program, and then promote that product or do a review on the product that you have already purchased through Amazon and promote it to a particular audience. For example, the camera that I'm using right now to record this video is a Logi webcam, right? What I can do is do a review on the Logi webcam or just use my regular laptop webcam. And if there's a difference, what's the pros, what's the cons? How do I set up the Logi webcam camera? How do I get it working so that I'm shooting through the camera webcam and not my laptop webcam? And as I do that review, I can refer people to a link in my description or a link in my ad copy or a link in my bio if it's Instagram to check out the Logi webcam if they want to. And what happens is it will send them directly to Amazon But since you used your affiliate link through Amazon Associates, if that person purchases the product that you're promoting, you get a commission off of that purchase. And that's exactly how affiliate marketing works. Now, with Amazon, you make up to 10% of a purchase, right? So if you direct someone to a $100 purchase, you only get 10% of that purchase. Yes, the commission is small, but let's say you direct 100 people to this $100 product, right? That means you made like $1,000, or if my math's correct, $1,000. If not, it's probably $100. I'm not a math whiz, okay? But that's exactly how affiliate marketing works, and you can scale that business up. If you can make $1 online, you can make $1 million online, okay, with consistent action and being able to duplicate the efforts that you did to make that $1. All right. So another thing about Amazon Associates is that if you were to promote a particular product to someone on Amazon, and they go to Amazon and look at that product, well, that website or Amazon uses that link tied to you for 24 hours. What that means is, for 24 hours, if that same person who used your link initially comes back and makes a different purchase, it does not have to be the product that you promoted, but if they make a purchase different from that product, you still get a commission. So if someone buys an $1,000 product that you know nothing about, but they have used your link in the last 24 hours, then that commission goes to you. Okay, that's the good thing about Amazon affiliate program, right? Just to show you two more sites that you can use to start making money with affiliate marketing, just to show you how affiliate marketing works. The next two sites are pretty similar in nature. They are marketplace sites where people who have online software or online products that people can download and use for their business or whatever they want or whatever purpose they want to. These are marketplaces. So for affiliate marketers. So you as an affiliate marketer, or you who are trying to be an affiliate marketer, if you want to find products to promote, if you don't have a lot of Amazon products around your house that you can do a review on and promote, you can come to JVZoo and get an account. It's free to sign up. Get an account, come to affiliates, and then come to find products. All right. And it will bring you up to this site here, which lists out all the affiliate products that you can start promoting. Okay. One thing that you have to do though with JVZoo is you have to request approval to promote a certain product. All right. So here's a list of products that you can come out here and choose from. Oh, I like this product, I'm going to promote it. All right. You can click the link of this product and see what it's all about. Click and view the affiliate page to see what the commission is like, what the funnel is like, if they have upsells in this product and whatnot. And you can get all the details on the product and the affiliate program. You can get a sense of how much is sold, how well it's converting, the earnings per click, and the average price of the product, and the commission. So it's 50% commissions of the $50. So if you make a sale, you make $25. Okay. So it's way higher than Amazon. Amazon's up to 10%. JVZoo was 50%. So that's great. And they have 5% refunds. Okay. So out of every 5 people, one person will, ask for a refund. Okay. And so there's a lot of products out here that you can look through and try to promote. What you're going to do is once you find your product, you're going to request approval. And this is the tricky part that, sometimes people don't like, but it's just something that I've already gotten approval for this. I want to show you a product that you have to request approval that I don't have approval for this one here. Okay, so you have the request permission to the seller to promote this product. So basically, what you do is you follow the instructions here. Usually what they say is, how are you going to promote my product? If you don't have 20 sales or more, this is when they really want your kind of explanation on how you plan to promote. If you're using YouTube, just say, hi, I plan to promote my product via YouTube, doing a product review on your product or doing a review on your product to promote to my YouTube subscribers, something like that, or to promote to my blog or to promote to my social media followers. And then what they'll do is they'll typically review it within the next 24 hours and approve it and give you your link. Okay. So that's JVZoo. And then the third one I'm going to show you is ClickBank. Okay. ClickBank is just like JVZoo. The only difference is that you do not have to request approval or get permission to promote a product. Okay. Let's say we come to business investing. When you sign up to ClickBank, you'll come to Marketplace up here, and then you'll go just like I did to the left-hand side and pick your category or niche that you want to find your product in. Okay. Come to business and investing, and then you scroll through the products and see, well, which product do I want to promote? Be careful. Just because it's a high price does not mean it is high converting. Okay, or that it's a good product. So go through the products and make sure that they are products that you trust in and that have integrity. Okay, because the high converting products like $18 could be great, wonderful products and then have upsells on the back end that will also make you revenue. Okay, so just make sure you go through the products and figure out if they're good to promote or not. Okay. But with ClickBank, what you'll say is if you decide to promote this first product here with an average sale of $105.63, you'll click promote. And then ClickBank will give you, you can do just generate hot link. You don't have to have a tracking ID. That's optional. ClickBank will give you this link. Okay. And so then once you have this link, you can go to bit.ly.com or Google link shortener to make this link look, prettier than what they give you. And then what will happen is when you start promoting this product to your audience, you give them this link, say, hey, come and check out Forex Millennium Best Converting Forex Launch of 2019. So, oh, I'll check it out. Now click your link. If they purchase, you get $105 on that sale. So that's how affiliate marketing works, guys. I hope this video gave you some type of value. If it did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with the same consistent content. All right. And you don't want to miss it. All right. Also, feel free to check out the first link in the description teaching you how to be successful at affiliate marketing. It will be a step-by-step guide that you can check out today. All right. Check it out and see if you like it. If you don't, no worries. But do not forget to subscribe. All right. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.